Handle winter's worst with a great new offer. For a limited time, receive $2,000 in no-charge options on the new BMW 328i Classic with xDrive all-wheel drive. And with a low monthly payment of just $348 at 3.9% for 48 months and only $49.98 down, now is the time to enjoy the maximum traction and superior handling of the new 328. But hurry, this limited time offer ends January 31st, so visit your nearest GTA BMW retailer today. Handle winter's worst with a great new offer. For a limited time, receive $2,000 in no-charge options on the new BMW 328i Classic with xDrive all-wheel drive. And with a low monthly payment of just $348 at 3.9% for 48 months and only $49.98 down, now is the time to enjoy the maximum traction and superior handling of the new 328. But hurry, this limited time offer ends January 31st, so visit your nearest GTA BMW retailer today.
You're kidding. Oh, good morning, everybody. She is the serious shopper, but she has fun with it. Teresa Quick with the 11th hour last-minute ideas, which we all need, and gorgeous ideas to boot. So, welcome.
Thank you. So yeah, we've got under a week left until Christmas. So now is not the time to go out and find that really specific thing. At this stage, there's still time, but look for things that are kind of universally accepted at this time. So for example, I have a cashmere scarf. Always going to be happy about receiving a cashmere scarf.
Beautiful.
And then I got at Marshall's. Same with gloves. Beautiful pairs of leather gloves. And these are really neat because these are touchscreen gloves. And we're finding those all over the place now. So if you have an iPhone or, you know, a touch screen, you don't have to take your gloves off and put them back on.
And always a nice, beautiful throw like this.
Look for ones in neutral colors, so it goes with everybody's decor, gray and cream. HomeSense. And so Marshall's, Winners, and HomeSense open till 11 every night.
Love it.
Now's the time. You can go all the way up right to the 11th hour, literally.
Somebody threw this in the dryer too long? No.
No, it's a dog coat. More than half of Canadians buy their pets Christmas gifts. My dog was rummaging through the bag before I left this morning and pulled both of these out. I also mentioned the purse. This is by Joannelle, and it's available at Brown Shoes. But there's lots of other places you can go outside your regular standard stores. And this has a light-up lining that you can see your keys in the bottom, which is brilliant for a lot of women.
What do we have here?
Okay, so instead of getting the traditional bottle of wine as a hostess gift, board games make great hostess gifts. Great. I got this at Walmart too, and Catchphrase. And Catchphrase and this are both phenomenal because when the host actually opens it up, you can play it immediately. There's no setup time, there's no boards needed, there's no pieces.
Easy.
So it's easy, you just need 4 people.
This?
This is a chocolate block. So it comes with a mallet and you break it up.
Like the verdict is the eagle's fake. Now you get to eat chocolate.
And then you eat the chocolate. Yeah, it's just a nice presentation, you know. And this is from HomeSense as well.
What is this?
So this is a onion and chive dip. So it's just the mix. So we're looking, instead of getting actual food and bringing it to as a hostess gift, you can get mixes. So especially if they're gluten-free, or if they like to bake, you can actually get them a little
gingerbread,
something different.
Cute little server.
That's right.
Make sure they don't stick to the pan. Little gingerbread guy.
It's just cute, and it makes a great, you know, it adds something a little bit to the gift. I also got a big cheese board. So if you want to do that, buy that, and then add cheese at the grocery store after to make it a bit fuller of gift.
Look at this. This is available at Shoppers. Also open till like midnight. Some of them 24 hours.
Until Christmas Eve. Until Christmas Eve. So this is brilliant because fragrances are very personal, and you never know exactly which one the person you're looking for loves. So what this is 10 different samples of different fragrances. So inside, they can test each one, and then there's a gift certificate inside for the bottle that they like the best.
Men and women.
Yes, men and women. So they can go back to Shoppers and get the full bottle with the certificate inside.
It's so
those are only
particular.
$75. You're actually getting more for your money than you're actually paying for.
Where do we go? Why look at the mango in a little bow.
This is when you're really, really, really caught. And the idea is really to get items that represent something you can go back later and do. So for example, if you're really tight on time, you can get the mangoes and eggs and then go on Plan Canada. And you can go buy them a mango tree on behalf of a family in a third world country to help them sustain. Exactly. Or 3 chicks is $15. And that will help them eat and also create a living for themselves.
I love that. And then you have an LCBO tip.
I do. Well, you know what? You can always do, I got a little wine critic book here, and I got glasses at Walmart again. And then what you do is just tell them, I'm getting you a beer of the month or a wine of the month club card.
It's the gift that keeps on giving. They get that delivery or whatever it is once a month, and they try something new.
That's right. So you're giving more, and then also a lot of, like, this is at National Bank, and they're selling for $5. They're cookies, and there's a little bank, and it goes to help Breakfast Clubs of Canada.
Awesome.
All year round.
Where
so
Jen is today.
And that's what I'm saying.
There you go, at Serious Shopper on Twitter, theseriousshopper.com. Get shopping. The clock is tick-tocking. I meant to rhyme in my spare time. We'll take a break.
With the start